Dear student, we introduce the book of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a powerful tale of two fathers offering contrasting financial philosophies. The Rich Dad emphasizes financial education, investing, and entrepreneurship, while the Poor Dad focuses on traditional education and job security. Through the story, readers learn valuable lessons about the importance of financial literacy, taking risks, and thinking outside the box to achieve success. The motivational aspect of the story lies in the idea that anyone can change their financial destiny by adopting the mindset and strategies of the Rich Dad. It inspires readers to break free from limiting beliefs, embrace financial independence, and pursue their dreams with confidence and determination. Ultimately, Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as a beacon of hope and empowerment, showing that with the right knowledge and mindset, anyone can create a life of abundance and prosperity. Here's a short piece inspired by the concepts from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, focusing on success quotes, backquote, backquote, backquote. Growing up, Robert had two father figures, his biological dad, whom he called Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. Both men offered different lessons about money and success. Poor Dad would often say, "Go to school, get good grades, and find a secure job." He believed in the traditional path to success, emphasizing stability and job security. His mantra was, "Work hard and save money." On the other hand, Rich Dad had a different perspective. He'd say, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." He encouraged Robert to think like an investor, not just an employee. "It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep," Rich Dad would explain. He also emphasized the importance of financial education, saying, "Invest in yourself to develop your financial IQ." These contrasting viewpoints shaped Robert's understanding of wealth. From Poor Dad, he learned the value of hard work and education. From Rich Dad, he learned the power of investing and financial literacy. Together, these lessons taught Robert that success isn't just about earning money, it's about managing it wisely and thinking differently about financial freedom.